Hey car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Car Release TV, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive news and reviews. Today, we're talking about one of the most anticipated SUVs of 2025, the Toyota RAV4 GR Sport. The RAV4 has always been a leader in the compact SUV market, reliable, practical, and versatile. But now, Toyota is dialing up the excitement with the GR Sport Edition, bringing bolder styling, enhanced performance, and cutting-edge tech. Let's break it all down. Exterior. Aggressive and sporty upgrades. The 2025 RAV4 GR Sport isn't just another trim, it's a statement. Toyota has given it a more aggressive, race-inspired look, setting it apart from the standard RAV4. Blacked out accents on the grille and bumpers, sportier side skirts for a more athletic stance, larger darkened alloy wheels for a meaner presence, angular design cues inspired by Toyota's racing heritage. This SUV is built to turn heads, whether you're on city streets or hitting the trails. Performance. More power, better handling. Under the hood, the GR Sport isn't messing around. Expect a 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine with hybrid options available, sport-tuned suspension for sharper handling, upgraded all-wheel drive system for better off-road traction, a thrilling drive on winding roads, perfect for enthusiasts. Toyota is clearly aiming to make the RAV4 more fun to drive without sacrificing its legendary reliability. Interior. Sporty and high-tech, step inside, and the GR Sport delivers a driver-focused experience. Sport seats with premium upholstery and signature GR stitching. Performance-inspired steering wheel for better grip. Upgraded infotainment with a large touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, packed with features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control. It's the perfect mix of sportiness and everyday comfort. Final thoughts. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 GR Sport is shaping up to be one of the most exciting SUVs of the year. With its bold design, enhanced performance, and premium tech, it's a must-watch for anyone in the market for a sporty yet practical SUV. What do you think of the new RAV4 GR Sport? Let us know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.